Do you know that wearing oversized heels increases the risk of tripping, stumbling, or twisting an ankle due to the lack of proper support and fit? Wearing high heels that are too big can cause friction, blisters, and soreness in your foot. But worry no more, because today I'll share 3 effective techniques I frequently use to fix these problems. However, you must note that these techniques can fix oversized heels. But it's always best to purchase footwear in the correct size whenever possible. But if you're like me, years ago, that struggled with figuring out the difference between UK and American shoe sizes. It's easy. All you need to understand is that UK sizes are generally smaller than US sizes. So, if you wear a UK size 8, it's like wearing a US size 9 for men or a US size 10 for women. To make things easier for you, you can check online conversion charts or ask the sales staff for help next time you're shopping. However, I remember shopping for heels a while ago. I tested it that day, only to wake up the next day and realize they were way too big for me. One reason is that feet tend to be slightly larger in the afternoon and evening compared to the morning. This is because activities like walking and standing cause the feet to swell or expand as the day progresses. Additionally, factors like heat and gravity contribute to this phenomenon. Therefore, I always recommend you shop for high heels or measure foot size later in the day to ensure a more accurate fit. Nobody wishes for this scenario. But if you have heels you've abandoned because of these, it's time to pick them up and dust them off, because the solution is here. The first technique is a quick fix, which means it's only temporary. You can use things like heel grips or padding inserts to make your shoes more comfortable and stop them from slipping until you can find a permanent solution. I'll show you the permanent fix later in this video. One problem with these methods is that they might not last very long. You might need to replace the adjustments after using them a few times. If you are looking for a better option, then going for the next technique is better. This technique involves utilizing custom inserts, opting for tailor-made padding inserts or insoles to fill the additional space within the high heels. These inserts offer personalized support and cushioning, catering to individual foot concerns like high arches or flat feet while enhancing your overall comfort and fit. For a long-lasting solution, that's for a permanent solution, consulting a skilled cobbler or shoe repair specialist is advisable. They possess the expertise needed to professionally resize your oversized high heels. They will adjust the high heels by adding padding, inserting insoles, or altering the structure to ensure a proper fit. Watch the video to see how to choose heels that fits properly.